So today we've got something new, and I'm super excited for it. We picked up a new pistol. Let's take it over to the bench and open it up.
Hey, just a quick message from Jake from the future. If you could hit that subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 500 right now, and I'm getting close. I just need a little bit of help, and I'd very much appreciate it. Thanks.
So I think everybody knows this, but the quality you get with a Canik out of the box is amazing. For the price that you pay, a nice ruggedized box, the way they do their presentation, I mean just all the cuts and everything and the way it's set up, super nice. So obviously we got the pistol, comes with 2 mags, a loader, a little toolkit, and back straps to adjust your grip. Pistol itself, already optic cut. Obviously this is ported, which I am super excited to see how that performs. It's already got some slide cuts in there, nice engraving, and this trigger. I mean, I don't know if you can tell that on camera, but that is such a crisp trigger. I mean, don't get me wrong, I am a big fan of Glocks and Glock clones. That trigger is better than my aftermarket triggers. So that's pretty cool. So I'm excited to try this out, take it out to the range. Already got some upgrades planned for it, but the big thing with this one is, if I can get this mag out. So the big thing with these ones is, this is a 17 round capacity in a slim frame. So just as a comparison, this is the P80 I built. I know I haven't shown it in a long time. I mean, obviously slimmer, but if we're, considerably slimmer on the slide. It's shorter by about a ½ inch. Obviously this one's ported. And then lengthwise, obviously not including the optic, we're going height. The Canik's a little bit longer because of the mag well, but the frames themselves are roughly about the same if you don't include the mag well. But this holds 2 more rounds than this does. And again, the trigger comparison, safe and clear, no mag. This is an Apex tactical trigger. The take up on this I do like these triggers, but this is just way better. Way better of a trigger in that. So I'm very excited to take this out to the range and see how it performs. Those ports are gonna be super nice, I think. They're not super big, but the grip feel, the way I can get my hand wrapped around that, the texture on the grip is way better than any stock pistol I've held before. And so I'm super excited. I've already got an optic picked out for this, and we'll probably get that on probably before the first range session. But stick around, and we're going to do some testing with this and comparing it to the other stuff that we've got. And I won't quit my day job so I can keep buying stuff like this.
Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a